Hello, my friends. I won't sing to you today. Don't worry, you don't have to hear my voice too much as far as my singing voice is concerned. A little bit different video today. A little bit different subject matter. This is a interesting item here. This is Litecoin, okay? It is a cryptocurrency, which generally I do not trade cryptocurrencies for a myriad of reasons. But Litecoin, essentially, it is like I guess you could refer to it as the silver of the digital world, essentially. You have Bitcoin, which everybody knows. That's like the gold standard of a digital currency, and Litecoin is the silver, essentially. And I've followed Litecoin for a few years now, off and on, and I thought today, well, okay, let's take a look at Litecoin, because I got an alert on my phone that told me it had dipped below $100 today. And I said, you know what, that'd be a little interesting, something to talk about, because we can see if there's any potential opportunities to make a little money off of Litecoin. Now, mind you, I 90% trade the Forex market, and another 9% trade the stock market, and 1% of my trading is in this market. So this is very, very niche, so to speak, as far as what I do. But I have taken trades on Litecoin before. I have taken trades on Ethereum before in the past. If the opportunity is there, it doesn't matter what it is, essentially. So, looking at it, I'm looking at this right now, and just zoomed out here, on like a weekly kind of zoomed out, each candle represents a week worth of price action. Looking at the past 12 weeks, we've had 147 a high, and down here, which is about, what is that? About, I don't know why it zoomed in like that, about $84. So we've had 147 a high and $84 a low in the past 13 weeks in this kind of entire area here. So for the past 3 months, this is what price has been doing. It's just been bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, up and down, up and down, up and down. And that's actually beautiful price action for small time frame traders, aka 5-minute, 15-minute guys, people that trade on the hourly time frame. Okay, that's beautiful, because you can make money up, you can make money down, okay? But for me, as a swing trader, I think, well, how is it really looking right here? This is just like an area of just consolidation to me, okay? So when I see that, okay, if this is an area of consolidation, and I just think, I put it in a box, and I say, okay, well, right now I'm kind of at the bottom end of this box area. So I know that in my mind, as far as a consolidation area is concerned, picking up a little bit here at the bottom of a consolidation area is a good buy. Keeping in perspective that all we're looking at the moment is what we can see, which is this consolidation area. So then I say, okay, well, is there any potential for a swing on this, something I can buy, average at around $100, and perhaps hold in the future. So if I zoom out a little more and look at the monthly, it tells an even bigger story. Going back in the past, you see that back in 2021, I guess it is, it got up to $400. Okay. And then it's never gone below $43 in the past, 4 years now. So for the past 4 years, we have a new range, so to speak. So if you're looking at the past 4 years of Litecoin, you have a high of 413 and a low of 43. So you have this giant area, okay? And when I look at it like that, and I say, okay, it's clear that even though, sure, you would love to buy it at $43, but considering this range that we are in the low end of the range. Okay, we're way down here. Okay, so personally, to me, this looks to be a beautiful trade because I know I can purchase this down here, and there's nobody on planet Earth at this time that could tell me, oh man, you bought the absolute most expensive price of Litecoin today. Well, that's not the case, because 413, that was buying high. If you were buying 350, 375, 400, you were exit liquidity, okay, back then. If you're buying down here, 120, 180, 65, even if you got some great buy at 50, okay, you were buying at a undervalued price, just looking at the chart alone. So Litecoin, to me personally, is something that I can see myself start, dollar cost averaging into and purchasing. Because at this point, what's it going to do? Go down to $43? Okay, so you lose 50% of your value. But the upside potential, essentially, provided Litecoin stays around for years to come, is so much greater. Okay, there's no reason why Litecoin cannot go back up and at the very least take out some liquidity that could be sitting at 250, 280. Okay, it loves to take out a previous high. You have a little pivot point over here at 280. Okay, no reason why Litecoin could not take that candle out. So that's kind of how I would personally play Litecoin at this point, is a long-term swing trade, dollar cost average into it, and my personal exit would most definitely be right here at 280. Oh, sure, it could make a new all-time high and break 400 again. I don't care. That wouldn't be my personal game plan, because I'm not looking for it to make the exact same maneuver as it did in the past. But that's just how I envision Litecoin at the moment. Interesting little thoughts I had on this. I love everybody. I plan on going back over our Aussie dollar trade that we had, a little recap of it. Best trade I've had this year so far. It was beautiful. And it's made some interesting moves, I've noticed. And hopefully we can get to that tomorrow. I love everybody, and we will talk to everybody on the next one. Peace.